Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix problem was detected with the Truedepth camera on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now in settings, just tap on general, then tap on software update. Now if you're on the developer beta version, just tap on beta updates and change it to the stable version. Also, if you have a software update, just tap on update now and update the software of your iPhone. Now, once you have done that, and if this did not fix your issue, just go back. Now, in general, you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Now, from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Then enter your lock screen passcode and select reset all settings. Now, this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings on your iPhone. Now, once you have done that, now just go to the settings app. Now from here, just tap on Face ID. And from here, just check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the Face ID on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. Also, if you have replaced your iPhone screen locally, it can affect your Face ID, potentially disabling your Face ID. And this is how you can fix problem was detected with the Truedepth camera on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.